What's up? I'm Joe with OC Detailing and Bat 3. I'm just kidding. But we do have a Model 3 behind me that we did a really extensive job on. We're just wrapping up, and it's kind of like a Batman car. It's all blacked out. So basically what we did to this car is we brought it in and the paint had lots of swirls and defects on it. I don't know if you follow me on Instagram, but this is the car that I posted a video that was supposed to be black, but the whole thing looked gray. So we went through this thing, polished it all out, got all the swirls and scratches out of it, just really brightened the paint up, and then we took the shine away with 100% custom XPEL stealth wrap where we wrapped and tucked all the edges in. We did a gloss chrome delete on this thing. Along with that, we powder coated the wheels, and then we did CQuartz Finest Reserve ceramic coating on all the surfaces, the paint, the wheels, the glass, the trim, and we did some 3M crystalline window tint on all the windows, including the big back window in one piece. The overall effect of this is very Batman worthy now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. I'm Joe with OC Detailing.